Hi guys, welcome back. Today, like I said, we're gonna come on this side, knock the clips off, try to sand down, grind down as much as we can, and put some paint on it. That's all I'm looking to do tonight. We went to the lake and got back kind of late, and I just came out here and I'm already starting to sweat. So it's hot, really hot again. So we're just gonna sand down a little bit, get some paint on it, and just call it a day because I can't. Oh, cat just climbed up the tree. Cause I really can't be out here much too long tonight because it's kind of unbearable. But if you didn't see the last video on the rat rod, we did manage to get the engine out. Next time for the rat rod video, we'll be taking the heads and intake off, kind of seeing what the cylinders look like, draining the oil, if there's any in it. I don't know if there is, and taking the alternator, water pump, and all that stuff off. So if you're here for the rat rod, video should be out this week sometime. I'm trying to get out here every day and work on it, but life, kind of gets in the way sometimes. But tonight we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna try to get this rail here done and this inner rail here done. So we got some clips to pop off and a bunch of sanding and wire wheel brushing. But like I said, don't got much time, so need to get started and set y'all up, and we're gonna get to work. All right, we got this little section kind of cleared down. I think it's good. I think this top section here is eating the wheel up on the little contour tool. So I may go over some of the rough areas with the wire wheel again. Then after that, I say clean it off and paint. I don't know if you can tell, but it's getting hotter out here. It's kind of weird since the sun's going down. But you hit the wire wheel again right quick, and then yeah, clean everything off, and then hit it with a couple coats or that rust reformer. But let's go back over there and kind of make these spots just a little bit nicer, I think. All right, we got it sprayed. I know it's gonna look good, dusty, but I think we're about, I'd say, 60% with the frame being painted. I think, I don't know about next time, but I really need to get this off and painted. I don't think it should be that hard to take off and just be harder to sand. You can break that thing off. That's hard as a rock, so it's really not functioning like it should. There's a good horse flying here. It should bite me before I go inside. But anyways, we might try to get this next time because we need to remove it to kind of get around. I mean, this right here, and these inner frame rails here, and the back frame rail here, and the whole inside here needs to be sanded down. We can take the gas tank brackets off, take this vent hose out, and really get this area. I'm debating on using my small sand pot that we got, or blasting pot, taking that baking soda out and putting some glass beads or some sand in it and hitting these hard to reach places. We might try that. I know that baking soda ain't gonna really penetrate like I want it to, because I need to get back in here really good. Anyway, I'll show you. What I was talking about is like trying to get in these hard to reach places here inside this mount, and right in here. I know that's not solid metal. I could probably pick some of that out with a screwdriver. Let me get a screwdriver right quick. Let's see how much. You know, see, it's just like dirt and nastiness. Let me know if that's supposed to look like that, or if I just have that all clogged up, like the same way over here. Well, that can't be good. Yeah, it looks like it's I need to find something to blast that out with. May take a drill to it, I don't know. There's a bunch of delamination back here, right there. I'm afraid there's a big hole right here. But these we can take off. A couple bolts. We can get this hole back in. We can try to take these off. But this right through here is looking pretty rough. So I'm not 100% sure if we can take these off or not. We may have to grind them off. But we're gonna be working on probably this side or that side back end. I am in talks to get it sandblasted. If that happens, then that would be pretty awesome. But if not, we're gonna keep going like we're going and get this kind of protective layer on there, and then come back with some lizard skin or something like that. Then we'll start taking the suspension off, shocks, springs, and dropping everything off and going over them with some sandpaper and such, and getting them back to looking nice, painted. We got new springs, new shocks, Might have to try to re-arch the driver's side, which would be this side, leaf springs. But we'll talk about that later. But yeah, sorry about short video tonight. Just some painting and grinding, but it's necessary that we've got to get done, get through this, so we can start really tearing into it. And I want to get the frame completely done before I start on anything else. But I can't tell, it's really hot out here, and I'm ready to go in. So next time, be more frame rail work. We may start taking some of these bits and bobs off, like the gas tank holder and this transmission cross member here, and reworking it and getting it nice and ready to go back on. If we get that off, we can kind of shoot up on the frame rails to the motor mounts and get that all squared away. But anyways, thank you for watching, and thank you for support. Really do appreciate it. If you like this kind of stuff, please like, comment, subscribe. It does help the channel out a lot. And watching this video all the way to the end really does help with retention and kind of getting it out there. So thank you all to whoever made it through this whole thing. But anyways, thanks for watching. And I'll see you next week.